Hello everyone, this is Amol. Today is 5th June, World Environment Day. Definitely whole world is celebrating, observing everything. See, regarding everything you can celebrate on a single day, but this is environment, a Paryavaran, nature, Parisar, everything is there. It's like a god, not like a god, actually it's a god. So we all are celebrating by using green color t-shirt, green shirt, greenery, saplings, everything is fine, tree plantation. But this should be a habit of 365 days. We have to preserve this environment. We are eating utta, we are eating everything because of nature. We are drinking water because of nature. We are taking breath because of nature. So this oxygen, this actually our meal, everything is coming from what? Nature. So that's why this nature is very important. But okay, no problem. There is a way. Someday we have to celebrate. We have to spread awareness among the society, amongst the people regarding our environment. So. 2026 this year theme is inspired by nature for our climate and for our future. This is the theme of this today's World Environment Day. What does it mean? So we should not inspire by any other thing. Definitely this whole environment is there for us. We have to get inspired by this nature only. This nature is there to inspire us. So we have to get inspired for what? For the climate, for the future. If you preserve this today, definitely tomorrow we are going to survive. Otherwise, what will happen? No. Now, at least we are lucky enough to have many parts of the world still greenery is there. Amazon forest we have in South America. Everywhere you go, like for example, equatorial belt is there. But now, because of increasing population, because of pollution, because of urbanization, everything is actually collapsing like anything. See, we have to go with the green mindset. What does it mean? What does it mean? Green mindset is not just taking flag in hand and taking slogans in hand, wearing green shirt, spreading green mindset on social media like me only. I am also culprit. But thing is that I am speaking with you regarding World Environment Day. But definitely today one sapling I have gone I have planted. But one more thing, only tree plantation is enough. Only going with a sapling is enough. No, you may tell the world that I have planted 100 trees. Forget about 99, but at least one tree, like a son, like a daughter, you have to preserve. You have to give water. You have to raise, you have to grow that tree like anything. That tree will give us not only shadow, but also a pure oxygen. It will not only give oxygen, but also absorb carbon dioxide. The pollution, whatever budget we require to eradicate the pollution, many countries like Bhutan, they have successfully saved the budget. There is no need to invest money on it because they are not harming actually. The first step of preserving environment is that we should not harm the environment. Now you are not harming the environment, but the person who is harming the environment, at least 5 to 6 people out of 10 should come forward and they should stop this activity. We should not create garbage. Plastic is our dushman. Plastic is our enemy because everything we can destroy except plastic. I am sorry to say, whatever theme may be, but I think first important, the holy work we should do is that to clean environment by removing plastic. Rishabhavati river is there in Bangalore. You won't believe it has a history. More than 800 keres were there. Keres means a lake. But now not more than 30 lakes are actually survived in Bangalore because of what? Look at everywhere construction is going on. I am standing on a building. It was also one type of kere long back ago. But what is happening in the world? Nothing is happening. The whole world is facing the problem. So please, I would like a simple person like me, just I am hoping for the best that everyone should come forward. They should share your hand. That means share their hand for this green word, not by writing slogans, not by posting reels, not by wearing green, but by truly as a Indian, as a human, we have to go with the green mindset every day. To one more thing, sustainable development. We have to preserve everything. We have to limitedly use the resources in such a way that other people in future generation will not have any problem. Thank you so much.